Hello, Miss. Good morning, everyone. We will today we will make a assignment, a conversation about politics. Okay. Can we play
First,
first? Why voting is important for young people? Sapi.
because it's civic duty, self-interest, and long-term societal impact. And then because discuss how low youth turnout often results in police that ignore their demographic needs.
Okay. Next. Yeah.
Next is choosing a good leader. What qualities matter most?
Yang mana, Pik? Yang mana satu kali?
Macet.
First of all, fokusnya bisa nggak?
Nggak usah, karakter traits.
First of all, character traits, competence, apa cok? Yang bener
Udah,
cok?
competence and leadership style.
Character traits, competence, and leadership style. Ya.
Nah, yang habis itu suggestion.
Create a ranking of qualities and justify the choice with historical or contemporary example. Next ya. The role of youth in politics.
First is activism and advocacy for specific issues, and then volunteering for campaign, and then last is student government. Because explore effective way student can influence policy beyond just voting.
Okay. Watching
Political debates on TV and sharing opinion. What your opinion?
My opinion is media literacy, identifying logical fallacies and method rhetoric, and the impact of public opinion and a debate outcome. Cause watch a clip of a debate and analyze the candidates' body language, argument, and use his rhetoric. Right. Next, how social media influence people choice.
The spread of information or misinformation, and then echo chamber or filter bubbles, and then last is the use of micro targeting in political advertising. And then the suggestion is discuss the ethical responsibility of social media platform and the challenge of combating fake news.
Okay.
And then number 6 is simple explanation of different political system, presidential versus parliamentary.
Okay, different presidential and parliamentary. Itu desperation presidential versus version parliamentary of the executive and legislative branch. Use the US presidential and the UK or Indonesia parliamentary and semi-presidential as clear example to contrast the head of state versus head of government roles. Okay, next. The role of the local government in helping the community.
Day-to-day service, and then and direct community responsiveness. Because list 3 problems in the local area and explain which level of government. And then 8.
Talking about a recent election in their city or Indonesia.
Voter turnout, key issue or candidate, and then the impact of the result on local or national policy. Because analyze the winning party platform and discuss why it resonate with the voters. And then number 9 is why political parties exist and what they do.
Organizing public ideas, recruiting candidates, mobilizing voters, and acting a bridge between citizens and the government. Okay. Outline the difference between two major political parties in a relevant context. Okay. Last but not least,
A conversation about honesty and corruption in politics.
defining corruption, nepotism, misuse of public funds, its negative consequence, and ways to fight it. We can transparency, strong legal institution. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you everyone.